Hey, and welcome to Module 2.7 Roundup and Action Points. Now, before we move over to the action points, let's recap what the module goal was again. The module goal was that at the end of this module, you created a basic chatbot that greets and welcomes people. It has a functional default reply, plus your chatbot has a main menu helping users navigate through your chatbot in an easier way. Now, in this module, you discovered how to connect your Facebook page to Clever Messenger, how to set up a greeting text, a welcome message and a default reply, and we finalized this chatbot basic series with the main menu setup. Now, it shouldn't come as a surprise that these come with their own set of action points. So in order to attain the module goal, you need to finish off these action points. So what are these action points? You need to connect your Facebook page or Facebook pages to Clever Messenger. You need to set up a greeting text, a welcome message, and a default reply. And finally, you set up your main menu. Do these action points and you automatically attain the module goal. And with that said, good luck on setting this up on your end. And I will see you in the next module where we are going to set up an ask for email address flow, a lead magnet delivery flow. I'm actually going to tell you more about what a lead magnet is and how it all ties together. So pretty amazing stuff. Again, first do these action points and I will see you after in the next module.